The Worcester region in South Africa is located west of Cape Town in the Breede River Valley. It is surrounded by majestic mountain ranges and the Breede River that runs through the valley on its way to the Indian Ocean. The hot climate and the protection provided by the mountains result in perfect conditions for high-quality, fruitful wines. The Cape Blend is an exciting combination of this region's best Shiraz, Cabernet Sauvignon, Pinotage, and Grenache. Together, they create a wine that is truly outstanding and worthy of being a part of the 30th anniversary of LE. The dark berry flavors from the Cab Sauv balance nicely with the forward spiciness from the Shiraz. Pinotage, which is a grape varietal unique to South Africa, provides strong tannins and smoky, earthy characteristics, while the Grenache contributes aromas of leather and licorice. These combined elements offer a complex, full-bodied wine that pairs well with our signature recipe, herb pulled pork, roasted beets, or rich winter stews. To view all the LE19 wines, visit wineexpert.com. These wines are only available through pre-order. Visit your retailer today.